How to speed up slow Windows 11 PC. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further delay, let's dive right into the video. If you are facing your Windows 11 or slow Windows 11 issues, then you simply need to first click on the search icon at bottom left corner and search for settings. Once you get the application, click on open button. On this settings page, you need to locate system from this left bar and then scroll down. Now choose the option of About and bottom of the screen. From this related links, click on Advanced System Settings. A new window pop-ups where you need to click on Advanced tab. Go to Performance tab and click on Settings. Now click on Adjust for best performance and click Apply button and then OK. Once you do that, you will easily speed up slow Windows 11 PCs and fix your issues. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.